Hello guys, and today I wanted to quickly go over how to set up a firewall on Linux. This is quite an interesting one because lots of people ask, do you need a antivirus? And my answer is that you don't. So I'm just going to really quickly show you how to set up a quick firewall. So yeah, let's just get into it. So firstly here, when you're just on your desktop, you just want to open up a terminal. I'm just going to make it slightly bigger so you can all see it. And the first thing you want to do is just make sure you have UFW installed. So you can simply do this by, so if you're on Debian, it'll be sudo apt, if you're apt install, if you're on a Arch system, it will be pacman-s, simply like that. And if you're on a Fedora system, it will be dnf install. Now, on my Debian system, so I'll do sudo apt install UFW, which stands for uncomplicated firewall. Now I already have it installed, so I'm actually just going to cancel out this process and not do this. So firstly, we're just going to see if you already have it running. Chances are you won't, but it's just good to check. So you just want to do a sudo systemctl. By the way, I'm assuming you have systemd. If you don't, you can go find another guide, but systemd is the most common one, so it's very likely that you have it. So you just do sudo systemctl status. You use the status function and then just type UFW, and then it will ask you for your password. You just want to put that in, and then it was going to now give you the status of your UFW. So obviously mine is active because I have it activated. Press Q to quit this, and then but if it's not, I'm just going to quickly show you. So you just want to go to sudo systemctl, say enable, and then UFW .service, and then so you can either do this and then say start it afterwards, or you can do just to start it now without restarting. You can just do -- now. Now obviously I'm not going to do this because I've already got this enabled on my system, but that's how you enable it. So then the next thing that you want to do is just check what apps it's going to be monitoring. So if you just go, so you're going to be running super user for this, so if we just go sudo, and then it will just be UFW, and then app list, and then it will show you the apps that UFW is monitoring and limiting. So if you have torrents, or you've used SSH, it will be up on here. So what I'd recommend doing is, if there's something you don't want, you just do UFW disable, I'm pretty sure, the application. So if you just do UFW help, you should get a little page here. So you have like disable, so that will disable the firewall, and then you can have deny. So if you're here, you can just do sudo. We'll just go back to our app list really quickly, and then I could just go, if I wanted to disable cups, just go sudo UFW disable cups, and then that would the firewall block cups from sending data back and forth, but in your system. But what I'd recommend doing, especially if you have SSH, you just go limit and then SSH. And what this will do is if there's like a weird amount of numbers of SSHs going on, then it will pick it up and it will block it. So guys, this was just a really quick guide on UFW, and obviously if you ever need to disable it with sudo systemctl, it will be roughly the same thing as going sudo systemctl, but instead this time it will just be disable UFW .service, and then it will be -- now. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to put that in the comments. If you like this video, then please like it, and if you have any other questions, then yeah, please ask. And overall, just put in the comments if you use UFW or not, and what you think, if we need an antivirus in Linux or not, because I currently don't think we do. So yeah, please put it down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.